Discover a sense of clarity. Simple Ear. Hear better. Be your best. Our pre-programmed hearing devices are affordable and easy to use right out of the box. They've been proven to benefit over 85% of people looking for a mild or moderate boost in their hearing. Plus, in comparison, they cost 50 to 80% less than prescription devices. We have 3 core products that vary in appearance, power, and price. Take our free online hearing test and compare each model to find the right fit for you. Simple Ear Basic is for the person who wants to get a boost in their hearing with a quality unit but spend less money and is less sensitive to being seen wearing a hearing device. Simple Ear Advanced is for the person who wants a slim, discreet, behind-the-ear unit. With water-resistant side microphones, it's certain to work in any situation. Simple Ear Premium is for the person who wants a boost in their hearing with the latest technology but doesn't want anyone to know they're wearing a hearing device. It's ideal for the working professional with an open fit feel and no use of tubes and tips. Click here to order yours today. You can feel confident with our 60-day no-risk return policy.